Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iMessage activation error on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, basic fix here, or basic checks and resets. Well, just go ahead and go to your network settings, go to the settings app. All right, go ahead and tap on general right here. Now find date and time. Tap on it. Now make sure that set time zone automatically is enabled. Now once done, go back. Let's go ahead and toggle iMessage or FaceTime. Go ahead over to messages right here. Go back to settings. Scroll down, all the way down. Tap on apps. We have here messages. Okay, tap on it. Now make sure that iMessage right here is enabled. If it's already enabled, retoggle it, turn it off, and back on. Okay. Under send and receive, make sure either that your phone number or your Apple account is selected. Okay, or enabled or checked, in other words. Okay. And once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. If that still won't work, just go ahead and restart your phone. Okay, a simple restart often fixes issues. Now, if those simple fixes doesn't help, well, you can go ahead and go to your settings once more. And just make sure that you update your iOS to the latest version, okay, that is available for your phone. And once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if that still will work, you have your Apple ID right here at the top. Tap on it, scroll all the way down, sign out, and just sign back in, okay? Now, if that still will work, make sure, okay, that you can send a regular SMS text. You can go ahead and test it out, send a message to anybody, okay? As iMessage uses them for activation. If this is your first time sending a message, just basically wait for about 24 to 48 hours until the activation happens. All right, and there you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.